Intel shares up 8% year to date, and another Jim Lebenthal stock. Options traders now betting on more upside ahead. Pete Najarian is with us from Minneapolis with that today. Pete.
It's good to see you, Scott. Yeah, the March 48 calls 2 weeks ago were bought in huge size, right? They paid about 70 cents. Selling those today, getting $202.58 for those today, so not such a bad sale. That was a great buy just 2 weeks ago, January 30th. And now we're seeing the March expiring on the 1st, the 51 strike calls. 30,000 of those were bought today at 66 cents. So it gives you a little bit of an idea, Scott, that they continue to want to see if they can make more money in Intel as it's been rising to the upside. So stock was 46 on that date. Now here we are at about a little over 50, about 50, 60, somewhere in that price range. I love what we're seeing here. Smart Trade wants to continue to be there. These are a 2-week expiring option. So I decided, you know what? I'm in these. I'll hold them for the 2 weeks if it takes that long. But if these start to move before that, Scott, I'll definitely use some discipline and try to sell into this run because Intel has been on an absolutely staggeringly fast move to the upside just over the last couple of weeks.
Right.
I got another chip for you as well.
Go ahead.
I got AMD. So AMD, now this goes back to the theme we've been talking about for a long time. Really, really short term. Well, these are pretty short term. Not this Friday, but next Friday expiring AMD, the 23.5 strike calls. Over 5,000 of those were bought. They started at 30 cents. They started to pay all the way up to 60 cents. Stock was trading around 23 at the time. I love when we see this because they are looking at the semis. They're looking for the names that have been doing well and continue to expect that they will do well. I bought those AMD calls as well. I like what we're seeing. Those have 1 week to expire, so we'll see what happens. Stock gets over 23.5. Those ought to really start to rocket to the upside.